Lately my car been giving me a lot of trouble and I'm thinking about I should get a new car. I'm thinking about a Subaru Forester. It's leaking oil. But I'm just gonna fix it and I'm gonna like give it back to my dad so he can do what he wants to do with it, because I don't want to sell it. I would feel bad because he gave it to me and I want to take care of the car and I want him to have it back so he can, if he decides to sell the car, he can sell the car and then he can keep the money. I only have like 800 right now. I need like 3,500 just to get another Subaru. So I'm doing a lot of research. Hopefully I can get the Subaru around that price. Hopefully. So I'm gonna have to put all in my car now. I'm pretty low on oil at the moment. It's like right here. I'm gonna have to refill again. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like, hopefully you guys can see it. Out of oil. So I'm gonna have to get another one. Pops got a new truck. I know, right? Come with a lot of accessories.
Apparently my car first gear is giving a problem. Feel a little bit better. And I was having headaches all day. Ginger and peppermint.